Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends. Make sure the TV supports Bluetooth and has current firmware so pairing works reliably. Once done, power on the TV and the speaker or headphones and bring them within a few meters. Now, navigate to TV settings, then Sound or Connections, and open the Bluetooth menu. Choose Add or Pair to begin discovery. Doing this first ensures your TV broadcasts correctly and the device can detect it, so you don't waste time hunting menus later. You'll now make the actual connection. Put your speaker or headphones into pairing mode. Look for a flashing LED or a voice prompt, so the TV can see it. On the TV's Bluetooth list, select the device name. If a PIN appears, enter the common codes like 0000 or 1234. Make sure to check codec options if the TV offers them, because choosing aptX or AAC can reduce latency and improve quality. Adjusting that helps when you watch video to keep audio and picture in sync. You finish by confirming the TV display is connected and that audio is routed to the Bluetooth device. Sometimes, you must switch output or disable TV speakers to force it. Play a short clip to test sound and tweak volume on both devices so levels match. This prevents distortion. If you run into trouble, restart both devices and forget previous pairings on each side before trying again. This clears conflicts and often fixes discovery or pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.